Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where your Windows PC will not completely shut down or restart no matter what you try, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution. So the first solution is to force shutdown, but it won't work initially. Here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. In the left pane, click on choose what the power buttons do. Okay, now there's an option when I press the power button what to do. It is selected at sleep by default, selected at shutdown. This is very important. Click on save changes. Okay, now hard press the power button till your computer forces itself into shutting down. Okay, I mean it won't restart, but you can force it into shutting down. Now restart it. Okay, and once you restart it, I mean by pressing the power button once again, this time we need to understand that there could be two reasons behind it. One could be a recent change, and the second one could be interference by a third party software product. So here's what we would do after restarting the computer. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And the last one is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on recovery. Select open system restore. Choose a different restore point. Next, choose a go to restore point. Next, finish, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.